Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today's tutorial it's gonna be a tutorial about a CapCut application, and in this video I would like to show you how to remove unwanted object from the video. So here I already have the project, I already have the clips too, you can see, and now let's try to remove this object. So the things that you have to do, you just need to copy this clip by go click the clip, and after that you just need to like slide into the left side these features until you found copy, and here it is. You just need to go click it, and for the next clip, the second clip, you just need to slide these tools again into the right side, my bad, until you found a overlay to make the second clip become an overlay. And now we already make it become overlay, and let's drag this overlay into right under the clip. Now we have the overlay, and after that the overlay, you just need to go click the overlay part, and let's find a mask tools in this bottom side by slide into the left side until you found a mask. Here it is, and you just need to choose the circles, and you just need to pick the sample of the color by drag the circle part into the specific part here, and you just need to resizing it into the smaller size. And now whenever you're done, you just need to go click done. And now the things that we need to do is pinch the clip with two of our finger to make it bigger while we drag it into the object that we want to cover. Here you go. Make sure that you got the best size to cover the object, and whenever you're done, you just need to go click a random part of the project, and let's have a final test. You can see the object is already removed from the video. So that's the way how to remove object on a video by CapCut. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.